Hello, I'm Kevin, and this is The Real Way to Make Money Online. So this week I'm going to show you a cool tool on Creative Fabrica, the Shape Cloud. Now with this, if you're on a free account, you get 5 downloads. But it comes with any of the paid accounts, or any of the subscriptions, which you can see here. The All Access is $29 a month. Crafts is $12 for 3 months. Fonts only is $19 a month, and graphics are $19 a month. I've used this on a few designs, including the design from one of my blog posts here, or blog posts on Creative Fabrica. So this is the default design, and it comes with lots of built-in. All these over here for miscellaneous. You got basic, is just stars, squares, and such. Why is that happening? I'm at the bottom. Animals, babies and kids, basic, miscellaneous, nature, and wedding. And then you can choose some fonts down here. I just usually leave it on Pacifico. Okay, so if you don't want to use any of these and you have your own file, and you can do that by uploading an SVG file, and only an SVG file. There we go. Got a coffee mug with steam. Now, whoops, I'm going to leave these words they've got already, because you need, I found out, at least 8 words to make this work well. Have some variety anyway, so I'll add, what else? You know, I had this all in my head, and now they're gone. Go. Does not want to shift. That should do. Upload the changes, or update the changes. So the last thing I'm going to do here is change the color somewhere. There it is, white. Update again here. And of course, you can barely see it. There it is. I'm going to download. Now this is what the cool thing is here. You can download the SVG, which will let you edit the file. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so now come over to Affinity Designer. Grab that file. Let's pull this over. It'll be this one here. Make it nice and big. And then you go to Edit Document, which opens up in a new tab. And okay, so the first thing I want to do is pop on a black background so I can see the words. Okay. Now we grab this. Now if you click in here to try and click a word or a letter, it's going to click the whole file. You can't do it. So click anything inside and then say, I want creative. Hold down Shift and click each letter. And now, since I got them all together there, I'm going to hit Control G and group them. And now I can color it red. Make the word stand out. And now if you come over here, you'll see that's red over there. Okay, come over to the same thing with design. Hold down Shift. Group it, Control G. Give it the same color. And you can do more or fewer words. Oh, I should have done Fabrica, Creative Fabrica. Huh? Silly me. Creative design works too. But one thing I need to show you. Put your most important words first. Those are going to be your biggest words over here. So like this is number 1, number 2, number 3. If we go back, Creative Fabrica Design. So you do want to do your list in order of importance. Another thing I would do on this one, let's zoom in, Control Plus. That's good. Okay, hold down Shift. Group that. Let's just do it this way. Fonts. Over here you hold down Shift. Woo. Too many. There we go. Group those. Control G. And then let's find this. Shape Cloud. SHAP CLOUD. There it is. And it did it again. Control G. Ooh. I forgot. Move these to the top. That's this button here. Move to front. And then merch. Move to front. They are way up there. Okay, so I've got my 3 here. Group them again. Then duplicate. Control J. Now I can pop in. Then grab one. Come over here. Control 0. How did my... Oh, that's how. Oh shoot, the video is starting. Hey, one thing you need to remember to do is either turn the background layer off. Whoops. Come back. Or just delete it. You don't need it. Now we come back over here to the t-shirt image, and there it is with the extra layer of steam there. It just looks better with 3. I don't know why the person did 2, but hey. So that's it for this week. If you like what you saw, leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.